Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you Qino Jack CarPlay wireless adapter. Easily up to wired CarPlay. An experience that we get freedom of the wireless CarPlay system. Equipped with at least 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.3 in the next generation chip, the first connection takes only about 10 seconds. And the automatic connection is completed if you come back in 5 seconds. The experience the powerful intelligence connection function and supports our car's original control system without damaging our vehicle. Because we have here plug and play. So if you have a car which is possible to use wired CarPlay. CarPlay is a system which Apple brings us with the iPhone. So you connect your iPhone with your USB-C connector of your car, and then you can get into the CarPlay setup or into the CarPlay system. And if this is wired, you are stationary with this wired connection as well. If you like it wireless, such a device here is the key for that. It's really easy. First, of course, we have it plug and play. This CarPlay wireless adapter offers an easy connection and setup in just 3 steps. No more complicated procedures are required. Once connected for the first time, it can be reconnected to CarPlay perfectly and quickly every time we start our vehicle, so we can enjoy the convenience anytime and anywhere. So we get it into the connection, we accept the CarPlay setup process, and of course we go to our smartphone, this is an iPhone of course, into the setup process. And if we are in setup, we go to Bluetooth and search for a Bluetooth device nearly. And if you see this CarPlay adapter there, you can connect to it. Maybe you have to enter a code or you see, and if it matches the code, you can pair them each other with the car. And then job's done, of course. CarPlay connection is already done. And you can enjoy the CarPlay settings. That means you can go for navigation. You can use your remote gate controller, or you can use messages. You can communicate. You can hear something about iTunes and something else. That's all possible with this plug-and-play device. The Wi-Fi adapter uses the 2025 improved core chip, and the USB port is made of metal, which ensures a strong, fast, and stable connection. The compact design takes up a minimal space in our car and provides a first-class driving experience, as you can see. You see, we can get this into position. Our smartphone can be nearly, and we can have a good job with that system. And we have a really wide compatibility because this wireless CarPlay adapter supports the iPhone 6 and later models. So if you have an iPhone 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc., you can get connected with that. It's also compatible with over 800 models, which are equipped with a wired CarPlay after 2016, and comes with an USB Type-C adapter for multi-port compatibility. So you can use it directly USB-A, but you can also use it with the adapter from USB-A to USB-C, like in my Mercedes-Benz GLA, for example. And then it works easy peasy. If you disconnect this CarPlay wireless adapter and plug it back into position, it's only a couple of seconds if you're getting on air back. Easy peasy. This is all possible with such an CarPlay wireless adapter. And this adapter here comes from Quinojar. This is the Quinojar USB Type-C and Type-A CarPlay wireless adapter. It comes to you if you have a wide CarPlay and make this wide CarPlay wireless. Every day, every time, if you like it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!